Hello viewers, in this video I am discussing the CS Main 2015 Mathematics Optional Paper 2 question number 7C. This is question of numerical analysis given on page 7 of question paper and it is from section B. This is a question of Runge-Kutta method where we have to solve a ordinary differential equation initial value problem basically by Runge-Kutta method. So solve the initial value problem. Initial value problem means initial condition is given to us where dy upon dx is x into y minus x, and it is given that y at 2 is equal to 3, means when x is equal to 2 y value is 3 in the interval 2 and 2.4, and this is the big bracket, it means 2 and 2.4 are inside the interval. Using the Runge-Kutta fourth order method with step size h is equal to 0.2. So we have to solve this. This is question of 15 marks. So we use fourth order Runge-Kutta method and we have the formula, and the formula is k1 is equal to h fx0 y0, k2 is h fx0 plus h by 2 y0 plus k1 by 2, k3 is h fx0 plus h by 2 y0 plus k2 by 2, and k4 is h fx0 plus h y0 plus k3, and next step we will discuss after this. So we substitute values in this. H is given to us, that is 0.2. This is the function which we have fxy is equal to xy minus x. So we have x given to us, that is the initial condition at x is equal to 2, y is 3. So x0 is 2 and y0 is 3 minus 2, that is x0. When we calculate this comes 0.4 because this is 1 into 2 2 and this is 2.4. Now we calculate k2, that is h fx0 plus h by 2 y0 plus k1 by 2. We put the values. H is 0.2 and x0 is 2 and h by 2 is 0.1. So this becomes f 2.1 and y0 is 3 plus k1 is 0.4. So 0.4 upon 2 is 0.2. So this becomes 3.2. So we have to calculate function value at 2.1 and 3.2. So this becomes 0.2 and now x is 2.1 and y is 3.2 minus 2.1. After solving we get 0.462. Now we calculate k3. K3 is h fx0 plus h by 2 y0 plus k2 by 2. We substitute values here. H is equal to 0.2 and fx0 plus h by 2 we have already calculated 2.1, and y0 is 3 and k2 we got 0.462. So 0.462 by 2 is 0.231. So this becomes 3.231. We calculate h, that is 0.2, and function value at 2.1 and 3.231 comes this much. So we get the value of k3 this. Similarly we can calculate k4 after substituting the values of h, x0 that is 2, h that is 0.2, y0 that is 3, k3 is 0.47502, and when we get this f comes at 2.2 and 3.47502. We calculate value of function here and then we get the value of k4, that is 0.56101. So we got these values of k1, k2, k3, k4. Now we calculate y1 is equal to y0 plus 1 upon 6 k1 plus 2 k2 plus 2 k3 plus k4. We substitute the values in this formula and we get the value of y1 at 2.2. 2.2 we got from x0 plus h. So y1 at x0 plus h, that is x1. x0 was 2 and h is 0.2, so this is 2.2, and y1 value we have calculated, which is this much. For next step, x0 y0 will be replaced by x1 y1 and because x1 y1 will be the initial values for the, because x1 y1 will be the initial values for this step. So we write down the things as we did in the previous step. In place of x0 we have written x1 y1 and calculated the values of k1, k2, k3 and k4, and we got the value of y2 so we have taken this k4 and we calculated y2 as y1 plus 1 upon 6, and this is the formula. Substituted the values and we got the value of y2. So y2 is this, which is at 2.4, because 2.2 was x1 plus 0.2 gives you 2.4. So y at 2.4 is 4.16079. So this is the answer which we had to calculate.